Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I am pursuing my second year of engineering in cybersecurity from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let's start with the topic Private Interface Methods in Java. Coming to the introduction, Private Interface Methods in Java. This presentation will delve into the world of private interface methods, explaining their purpose, implementation, and benefits. What are private interface methods? New feature is that private interface methods are a recent addition to Java, introduced in Java 9. They allow interfaces to have some methods that can only be accessed from other methods within the same interface. Coming to the hidden functionality, these methods are not accessible from the outside world, including implementation of the interface. Think of them as helper methods that provide internal support for the interface public methods. Why were they introduced? First one is the improved code organization. Private interface methods enhance code structure and organization by allowing interface to encapsulate their own internal logic. Second one is default method reusability. They enable reuse of logic among multiple default methods in an interface. Third one is enhanced code maintainability. They make code easier to maintain and update since changes to private methods affect only the interface itself. Coming to the syntax for private interface methods, keyword and access modifier. The keyword private is used to declare a private interface method. This is followed by a method's return type, name, and parameters. The example of the syntax is given in the slide. Implementing private interface methods, that is the first one. Uni-implementable, that is private interface methods cannot be implemented by classes. They are only used internally within the interface. Second one is the default method access, that is the public methods within the interface can access private methods to perform operations. Coming to the use cases for private interface methods, first one is the default method logic. They allow you to encapsulate complex logic shared by multiple default methods with an interface. Next one is the validation and error handling. They can be used for internal validation checks or error handling specific to the interface. Coming to the pre-processing and post-processing, they can perform operations before or after calling public method like formatting data or logging. Next is the benefits of private interface methods. There are four benefits. First one is the encapsulation. Second one is the reusability. Third one is maintainability. And fourth one is the code clarity. Comparison to private methods and classes. First one is the class method. Class methods are accessible only within the class that defines them, whereas interface methods are accessible only from the other methods within the same interface. Coming to the differences between private and public interface methods, public methods can be accessed from outside the interface, whereas private methods can only be accessible from other methods within the interface. Coming to the potential drawbacks and limitations, first is the limited scope. They cannot be accessed from outside the interface, which limits their flexibility. Second one is no inheritance, that is, private interface methods cannot be overridden or inherited by subclasses. And that's all about today's video. Thank you.